What's going on, guys? Don is here, and today we'll try to make a center finding jig out of some scrap here in the shop. I'm just going to use some hardwood, a metal pin for the side, and one small drill bit. And now I already cut it to the piece that I need, and I'm going to mark the center of it using my combination square. It is important that the distance of the side holes that I'm going to make is perfectly equal with each other. So I use the center hole as a pivot point, so I can drill both holes at the sides. I don't have a spline jig yet, but temporarily I'm just going to use this setup to make a spline to reinforce our joint. There you have it, guys. Simple but effective DIY tools.